A small body matter just casually entering your atmosphere. Medium man on a collision course, ain't got no business around here. And I know I seem so far away, just know that I'm always near. Just take a look at the sky above, and a streak of light will appear. I was born to be a spaceman, and my mama already knows. Now you're giving me vertigo.